Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and I've got some really cool news. If you are an American Express Delta Reserve card holder or thinking about getting it, whether it's for your personal or business card, and that is they are bringing back the popular airplane metal credit card design, which is going to be white this time. Now, I never even knew they had this, and I learned about it, and I just ordered mine. And if you are a card holder and you got the purple one like I have here, I've got the metal one, you can get the new design for free, and I'll show you how to do that. And if you're thinking about getting the Reserve card, when you order it, you can pick that design. So very, very cool. And you can see here it's a limited edition card that is available again for personal and business, and it's going to be available from April 25th to June 5th. Now, I've heard people have called in to request this, and they say they're sold out. So the best thing is to either do it on your phone or on the website. And again, I'll show you that in a minute. But what it mentions here, it's backed by popular demand. Delta and American Express have unveiled the new iteration of the limited edition Boeing 747 Delta SkyMiles Reserve card on the heels of the overwhelming response from card members when first launched in 2022. And I think what's so cool about this, it says the new limited edition cards are cloud white in color and made from two Delta Boeing 747 aircraft that were retired after more than 27 years of service, and feature the plane's history, including their first flights and last flights, tail number, and number of miles flown. So there you go. How cool is that? And again, you can take advantage of this. What's really cool is that they are continuing and bringing this back. And again, for me, I never knew they had this. So this was the previous version card. It was this black color, and now again white. And I think it's a really cool idea. This is an expensive card, and it's about $650 annual fee. But one of the things, especially if you fly, you're going to really enjoy the benefits of the lounge, which I have very much. One other thing that I might suggest to treat yourself, even if you fly a couple of times, I do the 52-week money challenge. And at the end of the year, I have a nice amount of money that I can use to treat myself. And one of the things that I would say for the annual fee is that, hey, this is a nice gift for myself. So when I travel, I can enjoy the lounge and the food, because I'm telling you, that really is fantastic. So what you want to do first here is, if you are an existing card holder, you go to the American Express site or do the app. I'm just showing you here on my computer. I hadn't done this on my app. I did this all here on my computer. So you're going to go to Account Services, and then you'll see down here, you're going to click on Replace a Card. Now, I can't show you what that would look like because I've already done it, but you'll see it will say New Design, and you just pick that new design, and then they'll go through the process where you have to approve that, and then they will send it out to you. For me, I'm supposed to get it May 9th, which I will share with you. So there you go. And now, if you are thinking about getting it, I'll put my referral link here with all the cards, but specifically for this card down here, you could see, you can pick that. Again, you'll be able to probably pick the design, whether you want to end up doing the purple or this limited edition. I think this is really cool. So again, annual fee of $650. You do get an earn of 75,000 bonus miles, which is very cool. And that's after you spend $10,000 in purchases on your new card in the first 6 months. So especially if you're traveling in hotels and everything, you know that those expenses can add up quickly. And there are a lot of other benefits as well. If you're not familiar, you get 3 times the miles on every single dollar spent with Delta. 1 mile for every eligible dollar spent in the first 150,000 in purchases, and 20% cash back on in-flight purchases on Delta flights. Plus, you'll have complimentary Delta Sky Club access, which very cool. And then also the Centurion Lounge. And you know, when I went up to New York recently, and I flew back, and I had basically my dinner there, and it was great. The food was so great. You know, drinks and a nice buffet and desserts. So there you go. And then also you'll get the new MQD Head Start to be a medallion qualifier. and some other boosts. You get the companion certificate. They have this new $240 Rizzy credit and global dining access that you can take advantage of. So you'll see it will give you a $20 per month in statement credits with the US Resy restaurants after you enroll. This rideshare credit is something that I just went ahead and approved for activating. I wish I had that when I went up to New York, because I would have gotten some money back, but never too late to get it done. So you get $120 rideshare credit. You get some other award travel discounts, also car rentals. And by the way, if you ever do book for car rentals and even hotels, check the Delta website, because they do have some decent rates that I have found. Also, you get a credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. Now, if you're not aware, the global entry includes TSA pre-check, so I would recommend spending a little bit more and get that, and then you'll have the benefits of both. You also have a $250 Delta Stays credit there, and a lot of other great information. Concierge, first check bag free, you can get on earlier on the plane, so a lot of great benefits. But I really made this video to talk about the card and this new design, and I think that looks awesome. Can't wait to get mine. Again, I'll be back once I get it just to share that with you. But, you know, do check out the benefits of the card if you're thinking about getting it, and I'll put the links there. And if you have any questions, let me know. But how cool is that? So there you go. Hope you have a great day, great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.